Malaysia, my adopted and beloved country, is where all the colors, flavors, sights and sounds of Asia come together. A melting pot of people, cultures, festivals, traditions and customs. It is rich in diversity. I can attest to this, having come from Singapore, where the National Day celebration is very much centered on the National Day Parade and emphasizes on national identity, while in Malaysia, it's more a celebration of diversity of our cultures and heritage. Therefore, to keep the peace and to live in harmony and unity, we all need to stand together, not just through challenging times, but for all time. A peaceful country, after all, translates to a prosperous country. At Sunway, we believe education is crucial in shaping the future of the country. We take our cue from our Chancellor and founder, Tan Sri Datuk Sri Dr. Jeffrey Chia AO, who believes education leads to better futures and better lives, and this in turn contributes to the betterment of our nation. The Sunway Education Group is owned and governed by the Jeffrey Chia Foundation, which is imbued with the philanthropy of nurturing success and transforming lives through education. In summary, here at Sunway, we believe a good education is the best hope for a better future for the people as well as for Malaysia. At Sunway, we actively participate in nation building through our commitment to nurture and transform lives through education. Not only do we seek to educate our students with textbook knowledge, we also prepare them for life by providing experiences for personal development and responsibility. Engaging with local communities to address the UN Sustainable Development Goals together, on top of the development of character, integrity, and self-confidence, these are all essential parts of our goals. With more than 20 institutions under the Sunway Education Group, including Sunway International Schools, our Sunway colleges all over the country, our flagship Sunway University, and also 42KL, we cater to different learning styles and ambitions of students from diverse backgrounds and cultures. You can say that from coding to cooking, engineering to events, we provide our students a holistic, well-rounded education, and we aim to be a place of learning which will open our students' eyes and minds, and also be that place where they can see the world from a different perspective. At Sunway, the emphasis is on the importance of equipping students with relevant skills for the 21st century workforce. In terms of academic learning, at Sunway, we are very serious in our offering of high-quality education and the promotion of lifelong learning. By partnering some of the world's renowned institutions, such as Lancaster University, Harvard University, the Universities of Oxford and Cambridge, and University of California, Berkeley, we strive to bring the world to Sunway. And now that life is back to normal, we of course look forward to a constant flow of experts and distinguished guests on campus to share knowledge not only with our students, faculty and staff, but also with the community and the general public. And while I'm on that subject, we highly encourage collaboration and knowledge sharing between our students and our academics with their peers from other institutions as well as the industry professionals. Some of the most recent collaborations which come to mind are our partnership with two Japanese tech companies, a drone development company, Aerosense Incorporated, and an IT solution company, FunLead Corp, and also our collaboration with two Malaysian institutions, namely the Sarawak Forestry Corporation and the University of Technology Sarawak, on the mangrove conservation project under the Asia-Pacific Telecommunity ICT pilot projects for rural areas. I must also mention Khazana's joint venture with Sunway's 42KL, which will enable the expansion of Eco 42 programs nationwide to provide more students across the country access to quality education while nurturing more tech talents. The whole idea of collaborations is that we work with people from other different disciplines or different perspectives. Learning institutions such as Sunway today have the Herculean task of keeping up and to be able to cater to the future needs of the workforce. The role of education and academia is to impact the real world and foster transdisciplinary outcomes to create better opportunities, nurture and develop future talents. We need to acknowledge the youth community who plays a crucial role in ensuring the unity of the country. There needs to be a deep understanding and respect for the diversity of the various ethnic cultures, and that people are truly important in encouraging ties of friendship, tolerance, and mutual respect. For a better and brighter future of Malaysia, let us all celebrate what makes us different and unique, for not only by doing so can we recognize the positive impact diversity has within our own circle of friends and family, not to mention our communities, our workplaces, and of course, our beloved nation. So, my dear young Malaysians, the future of the country is in your hands. You need to step up, be responsible, honest, and respectful citizens. Look at the broader picture, embrace democracy, and learn to understand and appreciate the values and customs of our fellow citizens, especially those of other races, ethnic groups, cultures, and religious beliefs. All areas of our country's growth depends on this, whether it's political, social, or economic growth. And as we celebrate our nation's Merdeka and Malaysia Day, I would like to ask all of you to take a moment or two and think about what you can do for our country. Let us celebrate being Malaysian. Selamat Hari Kebangsaan and Happy Malaysia Day, everyone.